If you have a low or a medium PC, when you are going to export from your Adobe Premiere Pro, it's take long time because your PC is not perfect for that. Hello everyone, I'm Mihir. Welcome to my another video. In this video today I'm going to show you how to export 10x faster from your Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting your time, let's jump in the show. At first off, all you have to go your Premiere Pro. Simply choose your project from here and simply drag this footage into your timeline. And right now I would like to make a slow motion, so I have to go speed and just decrease from here. Click OK. And right now I have to keep it to optical flow. And simply I would like to export from here, Ctrl+M. And simply export. And you can see estimated time remaining 8 minutes 53 seconds, which is very long time because this footage is only few seconds. So simply cancel from here. And right now I have to remove this footage and simply drag this footage again into my timeline. And what you have to do, just go to your sequence setting. Just you have to change editing mode to custom. And also you have to change the time base. You should keep it to 24 frames per second. And preview file format you have to also change. You have to keep it to QuickTime. And codec, this is the very important. You have to also change this to DNxHR, DNxHD. And this is you should reset and just click OK. And OK. And right now you have to render into out. You can do it by pressing enter. And you can see it's rendering. And it have done. And right now I would like to export. And you have to change some setting from here. Just decrease this target bitrate. It's not too much, just a little bit. And if you see here has no mark, just you can click this mark and export. And boom, you can see this is very fast than before. And you have already exported it. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel if you want. And thanks for watching this video. Stay with us.